Hi all. So I am back again with a folio. This is a loaded folio and it's almost like a mini album. It has lots and lots of photographs. It is one of the most memorable projects that I've made. It was for my father's 70th birthday, and I have used this My Gentleman collection pack from Dress My Craft. It's a very good paper. So let's begin. I have already put the photographs because I have already presented it to him, but we'll just flip through all the pages and interactions. So this left side opens up to, it has one flap, and this is how I have put my pictures. Then it's a three-fold, so this is the center panel and the right panel. Let's go through the central panel. It opens up this way. All these are 4x3 collection cards from the collection, and I have put lots of stickers and fussy cut elements. So this flap opens up like this and this way. I have used stamps also. I have used lot of elements in this album. Then this flap opens up this way, and then one more and one more. So this is kind of like a right left waterfall as against the traditional waterfall, and I have added many pictures here, and this closes this way. So now let's come to the right flap. Right flap has two parts. This is the center part of, rather left part of the right flap. So this opens up like this and like this, and it has a waterfall which has lots of pictures front and back. Many pictures are vintage. It is like a collection of all his pictures for 70 years now. So this is the waterfall, and this flap opens down, and again this flap goes up, and this is another photo, all pictures. So this is one free floating photo book that I created for him with my comments or my memories for those pictures. And then we come to the last part. This has a magnetic closure. It comes down, and again this is a waterfall. There's a 4x3 card in behind which I've put a picture of them, and this is the waterfall. I can still add pictures here, but I ran out of pictures. So as you can see, many pictures can go in this folio. I have made it using as per the tutorial by Rosa Kelly. I love her. This folio came out very well. I'm very happy. See how chunky, how filled it is. I hope you all like it. Thank you. Bye bye.